ये जो ट्रंप की लेटेस्ट एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑर्डर है जिसमें उसने $1 लाख एप्लीकेशन फी डाली है H1B वीजा की। $1 लाख का मतलब है मोर देन 85 लाख रुपीज की एप्लीकेशन फी है। ऑब्वियसली दिस इज मेंट टू डिस्करेज American companies from hiring Indian workers because H1B is majority Indian people. H1B visa is a critical visa for these companies, high-tech companies, to hire highly skilled professionals, mostly from India, जिन्होंने अपनी masters या even bachelors अमेरिका से की है. And they are stuck for 6 years working for these companies because they cannot switch companies easily. The biggest gainer of this rule will be India, simply because American companies will now hire more and more professionals in India in their global centers instead of hiring them in the US. In fact, it will be more beneficial for them to hire them in India and pay them a fraction of what they get paid in the US. The only people who will not benefit from it are the Indians who want to get green cards in America, who want to live there after they complete their studies, which is of course still a very big number. But those people will have to look at other choices, either go to other countries or to stay back in India and be employed by these American companies. So that is the result of this. Thank you. And the ultimate winner is India itself. The Indian economy will benefit because more and more jobs will get created in India by American companies. More and more talent will be retained inside India, and of course the money will circulate inside India, and a lot of this talent, highly professional talent, will of course go on to do a lot of fantastic new things in the Indian economy. So the ultimate winner of this is India itself.